Hey guys, so today we are going to revisit a half wig. It's called the IWD Instant Weave Half Wig by Sensationnel, and this is in a color too. So this is my hair. This is like a few weeks after being relaxed. Here is the card to the hair, and yeah, we're going to reinstall this. I installed this initially on a TikTok video, and it went absolutely viral on Instagram as well. So I'm like, let me make a YouTube video of this unit. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to create the foundation for this style, which is really simple. Now, as you can see, I have some thinning of my hair on the side there where I wear my combs. Whenever I wear my wigs, I put combs in that area. So I do have some thinning there, and I'm like, okay, I need to hold off on either wigs altogether or hold off using combs on the sides of my hair like that. So I feel like this style is a good relief from like lace wigs and needing to use combs in that area. So what I'm doing, I'm pulling some hair forward to cover the track. You're gonna see later why that piece of hair is out in the front, but what you do with this instant weave, I'm gonna use it as a half wig. It's a drawstring, you can use it as a ponytail as well, but I'm gonna use it as a half wig. So I took out my edges in the front, and in the back, like I simply put my hair in a ponytail, braided the ponytail, and made like a flat bun against my head. And you can use a cap, you don't have to, but I do feel like it keeps the combs from getting caught on your hair. And the cap doesn't slip back depending on how much leave out you leave out. So let's go ahead and put the unit on. It has one straight comb at the top and then two combs at the side and one comb at the nape. So you just simply slip the comb in. As you see, I didn't put it in the braid at all because that's going to cover up that band like of the wig. So you put the two combs in on the side, and this isn't going to affect the areas that I'm thinning because it's actually behind that area, which is good. And it comes with the drawstring, so you can actually tighten this unit, which I love. You can tighten it to however you desire. Have it as loose or as tight as you want it. So as you can see, I adjusted it to make sure I don't have a big gap between like my leave out and the wig. And this unit is full, y'all. Once again, this is Sensationnel IWD, and she is full. So she's like a kinky texture, and the density is full on this unit. So if you can handle this type of hair, it is a lot of hair. It's not too much. I did not cut into this unit at all. Like I said, I have installed this one time, so this is a reinstall. But combing through this hair really is no problem. And I love the minimal shedding. It really didn't even shed. I'm combing it with my Denman brush. So here is the back. Make sure you comb the back and pay attention to that. Just so it doesn't look matted back there, but it's looking good so far. Like no product has been put on it or anything. So what I'm doing is I'm removing my braid. Like I said, this is going to be my leave out, and I don't want to put any heat on my hair, but look how seamless this goes back. I'm relaxed, like I said, and look at this. Like it blends so well, and I didn't even curl my own hair to match the texture or anything. It just matches the texture, which I love. I don't have to put any heat on my hair. This is a totally heat-free protective style. Totally heat-free, because sometimes I think about wanting to press my leave out. I'm like, you know what? I don't need to do that. I want it to match the texture of the wig as much as possible. So I don't even have to do it. It blends perfectly. Like I could literally walk outside if I wanted to walk outside and leave the style like this, which I love. If you guys want to pick up this unit, the link will be below, but I'm not just going to leave it here. I think I'm going to actually style this unit in a half up, half down style, which I'm going to do right now. This style took me around about 20 minutes to do in real time. That's with me like stopping and having to grab things like hair holders and hair products and things like that. But that is not bad. You could definitely do it much quicker. I would say between 10 to 15 minutes. You could be done and out the door with this hairstyle. So like I said, half up, half down. I'm using my even edge control or my even braid formula. These are like especially formulated for braids, but I use it as an edge control as well, because you can get it at Walgreens for like $8 for that big container. So yeah, I'm just using this to slick down my edges. I don't want a really firm hold. That's why I used it. I used the braid formula. The Eben edge control one, that is a really strong formula. But I just wanted something a little bit softer, so I just used the braid formula on my edges. That will also be linked on my Amazon storefront under hair products. So as you can see, I do have a little bit of thinning, especially on this side here. So I'm going to use the Edge Tamer by Eben in black in this stick. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to wipe that to just kind of fill in those spaces that I feel like they're thinning. And sometimes you got to fake it till you make it, okay? Fake it until you make it. I do use some hair growth serum on that area, but as you can see right here, it looks nice and filled in, just so it can have just a little bit of darker look. And I like this Edge Tamer stick in black because it doesn't really come off on my hands. I don't have a big like black smudge on my hands, so I really like that Edge Tamer. Like I said, will also be linked down below in my Amazon storefront on the hair product list. Now the Drawstring half wig will be on my synthetic hair list. And it's really affordable, you guys. Super affordable, quick hairstyle, especially for the winter and fall coming up. Perfect protective style. And I'm 35 years old, but I'm still going to be rocking half up, half downs. I mean, for as long as I can. They still look good and they're super fast and simple. So honestly, you could leave it like this, but as you can see, like my own hair is sticking up because I didn't put any product on it, no grease, no anything like that. So it's kind of sticking up, but you can leave it like this, walk straight out the door, or go a little bit further and just grab a little bit of either your hair or the instant weave hair and wrap it around the base of the ponytail holder. And it just elevates the style just a little bit, make it more look like a genie ponytail. And as you can see, I'm doing all this in real time. I'm not really fast forwarding it to see you know exactly how to do this. Very simple. I didn't use any spray. I just wrapped it around and secured it with a bobby pin, and further blending my own hair with the weave. And just keep brushing it out. Like I said, you may want to keep like a brush with you in your purse. But what I'm doing for my flyaways is just putting a little bit of hair wax on it. I believe it's like the Remy wax stick. If it's on Amazon, I'll add it to my hair product list on my Amazon storefront as well. But as you can see, it slicked down my hair. It helps it blend with the weave. And super simple, like for teenagers, or like you said, if you want to go somewhere. If you have like a tween girl, 13, 14, that you really don't want to do like a full sew-in on or something like that, this is a really good option. I have a 13-year-old, and something like this would be a perfect option when she wants kind of grown-up style, but don't do too much. But perfect style even for me. Like I said, I'm 35 and it's still perfect. I'm gonna rock it and it's super cute. So as you can see, I love the density of this unit. Like I said, it's not too much. But it's perfect. I rock this style for my birthday actually. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, cutie_pie _hair, I do have some pictures of me rocking this style on my birthday. So look at this. This is all done. She falls about 26 inches on me. I'm 5'9". And she's long, but you could definitely cut it to the length that you want, and I think it'll still feel good. You look good. You don't have to curl this unit every day. The curls are automatically in there. Even when you brush them out, they may get a little loose, but they're still there. So thanks so much for watching, you guys. Here's an up close of the texture, and like I said, the link will be in the description box to this unit. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for future videos. Bye, you guys.